Hello everyone, we are going to discuss about important question asked in IF 2021 in agriculture optional part 20 marks. The question is about what is the greenhouse effect? Write in detail about various greenhouse gases and their impact on crop production. So the question is having the three part. First, you have to explain the greenhouse effect, then what are the greenhouse gases in detail, and third portion is about their impact. Let's discuss what could be the possible answer for it. First section talk about greenhouse effect. So you have to define the greenhouse effect and give a significance of this one. Greenhouse effect is nothing but it is a natural process where certain gases in the earth atmosphere trap the sun's heat, preventing it from escaping back into space. Naturally, this effect warm the earth's surface and make it habitable for life. But due to the rising temperature, due to human activity, this greenhouse effect is leading to the climate change and making climate unsuitable for living and hampering the different activity including the crop production. The second part you have to write about various greenhouse gases. So what are the different greenhouse gases? Those greenhouse gases which are responsible for greenhouse effect include: number 1, carbon dioxide, CO2. This carbon dioxide is released by burning fossil fuel and deforestation. It is the primary contributor to global warming. We must know different greenhouse gases are having the global warming potential, capacity of rising temperature and trapping the heat. So the carbon dioxide is having the global warming potential of 1. Second important greenhouse gas is the methane. Methane emits from livestock, rice field, fossil fuel extraction, and the methane is almost 25 times more potent than the CO2 when in terms of global heat or global warming. Third important greenhouse gas is the nitrous oxide. This released from agricultural activity and industrial process. Almost 85% nitrous oxide released from the soil. Nitrous oxide is having more global warming potential than the CO2 and methane. We can say 298 times more global warming potential is with the nitrous oxide in comparison to carbon dioxide. Fourth most important greenhouse gas is the fluorinated gases. This is synthetic gas used in the industry like AC, air conditioning. They are extremely potent, with some having the global warming potential thousands of times greater than the CO2. Other than these four most important greenhouse gases, there are some other gases which could lead to the problem. For example, one is the water vapor. This is a natural greenhouse gas that amplifies the warming effect. Another is the ozone. This is found in the lower atmosphere and it is also having contribution to warming, global warming. Now let us talk about third part. What is the impact of greenhouse gases on crop production? Greenhouse gases have both positive and negative impact on the crop production. First, we are going to see about rising in the greenhouse gases could lead to the positive impact. Number 1, increased carbon dioxide can enhance the photosynthesis in carbon unsaturated plant like a C3 plant. C3 plants are carbon unsaturated plant, CO2 unsaturated plant. Rising in CO2 concentration can enhance the photosynthesis in especially C3 plant like rice, wheat and other C3 fodder. This leads to the higher growth rate as well as the higher yield, especially in the C3 fodder. Now it's time to know about negative impact of greenhouse gases. There are list of negative impact of greenhouse gases. The number one is about heat stress. Very high temperature reduce the crop yield and increase the risk of crop failure. Drought. Change in the precipitation pattern can lead to the water scarcity affecting the crop growth. Pest and disease occurrence. Warmer temperature expand the range and the prevalence of pest and disease, thus reduces the yield. Soil erosion. Intense storm wash away fertile soil, hindering crop growth. Growing season timing. Temperature changes can affect the timing of crop growth, causing mismatches with the pollinator availability and reducing the yield. Soil fertility. Rising temperature can decrease soil fertility, impacting the crop yield. Water availability. Reduced water availability due to the climate change affect crop growth and yield. Crop yield variability. Greater unpredictability in the crop yield poses challenges for farmer in planning and predicting harvest. So these are all about this question.